Ethics and Worldview. Instructional design provides the resources needed as part of the mission to equip Christian schools with educational materials that promote critical thinking from a biblical worldview, supported by academic rigor. As a Christian educator, I believe the Bible should be central in education. My goal is to show students how the Bible is relevant to each subject taught. Instructional design allows educators to widen the parameters for the Bible to be used as the lenses through which to look at education. Educators are able to see that faith and learning are bound together and that the Christian faith must govern the educational experience. Biblical worldview uses the Bible as the woven fibers of academics. Educators are able to prevent, manage, and handle ethical matters. Educators understand that the use of technology is not leaving. Therefore, educational technology must be embraced in the classroom. As teachers stretch themselves first to see what technology is out there and then what could be useful in the instructional design for their classrooms, they must also keep in mind the ethical dangers that can arise in the pursuit of multimedia usage. The increase in the use of technology in the classroom makes teachers more conscious of the ethical issues that arise from that technology use. Teachers cannot have a comprehensive education strategy without the proper preparation. As teachers are creating their lesson plans or programs for their students to use, they not only need to think about the intended use, but also the pitfalls and misuse that can occur. Despite how the media used in instruction is intended to be used, student behavior plays a part in the outcome. So, understanding the biggest ethical issues affecting our classrooms will help better understand how to address them. Now, obviously, some ethical issues that are closely connected to digital technology are trust, knowledge, privacy, and individual autonomy. Educators need to understand the intention of the multimedia use in instructional design with people's behavior, which then influences the effects of technology, whether intended or unintended. Ethical violations occur because each person has a different ideology of what's actually ethical. There's not one set of moral or ethical values that can be placed on technological usage in instruction design. As teachers, we must focus on living up to our own potential and moral values when creating and designing. Teachers should also instruct students on technology of self. This is no different than the teaching of Jesus and the Bible. So, whoever knows the right thing to do and fails to do it, for him it is sin. James 4:17. But if you have doubts about whether or not you should eat something, you're sinning if you go ahead and do it, for you are not following your convictions. If you do anything you believe is not right, you are sinning. Romans 14:23. All technology has values embedded in it. And if you know what the ethical terms are, users should follow it. To do anything other than that is not only unethical, but not being true to yourself. When using multimedia technology, it is on the user to utilize it in its most ethical form and be true to what the ethical parameters of it. To properly assess ethical conduct requires knowledge of the action, circumstances in which the action occurred, the agent's character and intentions, and possibly some of the consequences. When people fail at this, the consequences of unethical design can cause physical and emotional damage, injustice, and exclusion. God cares about unethical practices. He hates it when people are dishonest. Proverbs 11:1, paraphrase, tells us God hates cheating in the marketplace. But the same verse goes on to say God loves it when business is above board. As educators are using instructional design to create curriculum lessons, they must strive for integrity and do what is right, not what is easy. The truth of the matter is that you always know the right thing to do. The hard part is putting in the work and doing it. Integrity is doing the right thing even when no one is watching. Ethics in instructional design is about upholding God's standard. He will give you power to overcome temptation, to resist ethical shortcuts, to pursue what's right instead of what's expedient. With God's help, we can do the right thing. Thank you.